This is question B.
Oh, you have no. This is the wrong step. What you have done, first of all, you should not solve here. Okay, you have solved in between. You should not solve here. You should solve in the rough, and you have to write the steps here. And secondly, you have not followed the rules of BODMAS. That is, first you have to add and then subtract. Okay, I will tell you. Wait, I will tell you. I've seen. Okay, now you can remove that. Yeah. What happened? Why are you laughing? What happened?
Nothing.
Just tell me what happened.
My sister's ignoring me right now.
Okay. Okay, wait. I'm sharing the screen and then I will tell you the steps. Just a minute. Now, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see here. This was the question. See, I'm telling you number B. Just a minute. Okay. This question, okay? See here. The question is first. Just a minute. It becomes so small. Just a minute. Okay, let it be. Just a minute. Yeah, see the number B. Please see here. See number B. The question is 250. Just a minute. Yeah. Foods. Hello 501.
Hello.
Okay. 2500 4130 minus 5654138 plus 3138. Now see here, this is the question. Okay, so we have seen the rule according to the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS, BODMAS. According to this rule, first we have to solve the bracket. Bracket is not there. Then we have to solve the off. Off is also not there. Then we have to solve the division. D for division. Here in this question, division is also not there. Then multiplication. Okay, here the sign of multiplication is also not there. Then comes the turn of addition. So what we will do? See the question here, in the first step the subtraction is there, but we will not subtract in first. What we will do? First we will add these two. First we will add these two. Okay, so what is our first step? If you want, you can write all the addition things together, all the number of same sign together and the number of different sign together. For example, suppose first write here equals to sign. Always first put the equals to sign, then write here 2500. See, here is no sign. If there is no sign in front of the number, it means the number is having addition sign. So the number is 25004130. Then we'll write this number because this is also having the same sign, that is a sign of addition. So write here plus 3138. Now right now we will write this number here because it is having the subtraction sign and we have to solve this number in the last, because we have to solve the subtraction sign in the last. So it will be 4 6, sorry, this is not 4, 5 6 5 4 1 3 8. Now what you will do, you will not solve here. You will not solve here. You will not make the column here in between. You have to make it in the rough, because here we have to write like this only. So in the rough, if you want, you can add like 2 5 0 0 4.
Hello.
Yes.
Sorry that I came late because I went to a friend's house.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
No problem. Okay. See here, 25004130. Now see, write the next number 3138. Now see here, start from writing from the ones place, like 8 3 1 3. Can you see this? Why I have started writing from the ones place? Because I will, if I will write starting from here, if I will start from here, then the sequence will get disturbed. Then 3 will come here and it will become wrong. Okay, so we always start writing from the ones place. See, this is the ones place and we have to start writing all the number from the ones place. So 8 3 1 3. So now what we will do, we will add. Okay, see here, there are two methods of adding this. First, we can make the column and add in the rough. And the second method is you can directly add here. How you can directly add here? See the second method of adding. How you will add? You will add the ones place together. Add ones place together. So what will come? 0 plus 8 will be 8. And write this in the ones place. Now add the tens place. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. Now write in the tens place. Now 100 place. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So write in the 100 place 2. Now see the 1000 place. 1s, 10s, 100,000. 4 plus 3. Here 1000 place is having 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Now write in the thousand place 7. Now see 10,000 place. Here is 0 and here is no number. In 10,000 place, here is no number means it is 0. If there is no number, it means it is 0. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now same here, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now see here, 5 and here is 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5. And the last number is 2. 2 plus 0 will be 2. Now tell me, have you understood how I have added it? Everyone tell me, is this method of adding is clear? Or
Yes.
should I explain again? 5.5, 504, is it clear?
Can you explain like half of the half of the thing that I didn't hear because I came late?
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, see here, this was the question. This was the question, and we have to simplify this. Okay, so how you will simplify? We will not subtract first. See here, first the sign is subtraction, but we will not subtract first. Why we will not subtract? Because according to this board, this is the BODMAS rule, and according to this rule, first we have to solve the problem of bracket. In this question, bracket is not there, so we will go for the second step. The second step is we have to solve the problem of off. Problem of off. See, off. Here off is also not there. Then we'll go for the third step. Division. Division is also not there. Then multiplication. Multiplication is also not there. Then the turn comes of addition. Now addition is there. So first what we will do, we will add all the sign, all the number of same sign. Means if there is no sign means it is addition. And here the sign of addition is given. So first I will add these two numbers. Okay, these two numbers, because these two numbers are having the sign of addition. So what I have done, I have brought all the two numbers together. I have written the two numbers of addition sign together, and I have written this number of subtraction sign here in the last. Okay, now the third step, what I have done, I have added these two numbers. I have added these two numbers. There are two methods of adding. You can make the column. You can make the column like I have made the column in the rough. Okay, if you're adding with the column, then make this column in the rough. You will not make in between. In between you will not make the column. So make the column in the rough and add how we are adding. 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 0, and 2 plus 0 is 0. Sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, sorry, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2. So now you can add in the rough and you can write these numbers directly here. Okay, or what you can do, as I have done, I have added it here itself. How I have added? I have added the ones place together, like 0 in the ones place and 8 in the ones place. 0 plus 8 will be 8. So I have written 8 in the ones place. Now we will add the number of tens place. 3 plus 3. Both the 3 is in the tens place. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. So I have written 6 in the tens place. Now 1 is in the 100 place, and here also 1 is in the 100 place. So I have added both the 1, it will become 2. So I have written 2 in the 100 place. Now next come the turn of 1000 place. So 4 is in the 1000 place, and here 3 is in the 1000 place. So if I'll add 4 plus 3, it will become 7. So I have written 7 in the 1000 place. Similarly, 0 in the 10,000 place, and here is no number. No number means 0. When there is no number, it means 0. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. So I have written 0 in the 10,000 place. Now again 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now 5 plus 0 will be 5, and 2 plus 0 will be 2. So up to here, is it clear? What I have done, I have added it. Okay. Please tell me, up to here, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, is it clear both the methods of addition? You directly or
Yes.
you can make the columns. Okay, if you are making the column, make it in the rough, and if you are writing directly, then you can write here. Now next step is, I have added these two and I have written here. Now this number is remaining, this number is left. So what I will do, I will write this number here. Just a minute. I will write this number here. See here, I have written the sign of subtraction. Minus 5, 6, 5, 4, 1, 3, 8. Okay. See here what I have written. I have added these two and written here, and the number which has left, that also I have to write. I will not leave any number. I have to write all the numbers. So I have written this number as it is. Okay. Now I will solve. Now what I will do? Now I will. Just a minute. Now I will subtract. I will subtract these two because this is having subtraction sign. So now again I will subtract with the same method. Just subtract the ones place. 8 here is in the ones place is 8, and here in the ones place is 8. So 8 minus 8, it will become 0. So write 0 in the ones place. Now 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 will become 3. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will become 1. Now 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 will become 3. Now 0. 0 means we will assume it as 10. We will assume it as 10. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now next 0. So what we will assume? We will assume it as 9. Why? Because we have given 1 to the right side. So it will become 9. So 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 will be 4. No, sorry, 3. Sorry, 3. 9 minus 6 will be 3. Now it will become 4. It will become 4. So 4 minus 5 will be, 5 is bigger number, 4 is smaller number. So what we will do? We will make it 14. We will take one carry and we will make it 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. And what number is remaining here? It is 1. 1 is remaining here. So I will write here 1, because 1 minus 0 is 1. See, I have subtracted directly. If you want, you can directly subtract it in the rough. How? 2, 5, 0, 0, 7, 2, 6, 8. Now write the second number. Start from the ones place. 8, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 5. Okay. So if you want to subtract by making the column, you can subtract in the rough. The same answer will come. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 3 will be 3. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 7 minus 4 will be 3. It will become 10. And 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now it will become 9, because we have given one carry. So 9 minus 6 will be 3. It will become 4. And 4 is a smaller number, so we'll take one carry. So it will become 14. Now 14 minus 5 is 9. And here, what is the remaining number? It will become 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So see, can you see I've got the same answer here. So this will be the answer. This will be the answer. So what is the difference? The main thing what you have to be careful in this type of simplification, that if the subtraction sign is in the first place, then also you will not subtract first. According to the rule, we have to first add and after that we will subtract. Is it clear now? Okay, now let's see with one more example. Then it will be more clear. Wait a minute. See, the second one is let me okay, now see the next one. I'm writing the question here, okay? The question is 18402013. Sorry. Minus 6641325 minus 382047 plus 38204. Now see, this is the question. So first of all, what step we will do? We will first write the numbers having same sign together and the numbers having the same minus sign together. So how we'll write? See here, always start with the equals to sign. We will start with the equals to sign. So 18. If you want, you can directly add also. No need to write, no need to arrange the sign. But you are doing it now, started this type of question, so you might get confused. So what you'll do, first put this. Now we will write this addition sign here, because this number there is no sign, means it is the sign, there is sign of addition. Now I will write this addition sign now here. Second one is here, like 3 8 2 0 4. I have written all the sign of addition together. Now these two numbers are having the sign of subtraction. So what I will do, right here the sign of subtraction, minus 6 6 4 1 3 2 5. Now again put the sign. Now write the next one. This is left. I will write this also, minus 3 8 2 0 4 7. Okay, this will be our second step. This is our second step. Now see one thing, if you want, you can skip this step also, but what you have to do, you have to add this addition sign and this addition sign, the number of the addition sign together. Okay, if you will add directly this and this, if you can skip this step also. Okay, but if you want, you can write this step so that you will not get confused, and after that you can solve. It's up to you. Okay, this step is it up to you. Now see the third step. Now the main step, what you will do, you will add the addition sign together. So now 3 plus 4, see the ones place, here in ones place it is 3 and here in the ones place it is 4. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. So write 7 in the ones place. Now 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1. Now 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 will be 2. Now 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we will write here 0. We will write here 0 and we will take 1 carry to the next number. We will take 1 carry to the next number. Now 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 3 is 4. So I will write here 4. Now next step 4. 4 plus here is no number left, it means 0. Here it is 0. So 4 plus 0 will be 4. Now 8 plus 0 will be 8. Now 1 plus 0 will be 1. So this is the number. This is the number that we have got after adding the same sign. See the sign of addition. Now see this, see here. These two numbers is having the same sign, that is the sign of subtraction. So do you remember the rule? What rule I have taught you, that the number having the sign of subtraction, minus minus is plus. Do you all remember the rule or you have forgotten? What was the rule? The rule was plus plus. When the two signs having the same sign of addition, then we will add the numbers. If first number is of addition sign and second number is having subtraction sign, so what we will do? We will subtract. If first number is having subtraction sign and second number is having addition sign, so what we will do? We will again subtract. And if first number is having subtraction sign and second number is also having subtraction sign, so what we will do? We will add. This rule we have seen in the previous class. So see here, these two numbers are having the subtraction sign. This number is also having subtraction sign and this number is also having subtraction sign. So now what you will do? We will add. Minus minus we will add. See here, according to here this rule we will add. So how will add? 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 will be 12. So we will write 2 in the ones place and we will take 1 carry here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So I have written 7 in the tens place. Now 3 plus 0 will be 3. Now 1 plus 2 will be 3. Now 4 plus 8. Yeah, 4 plus 8 will be 12. 2 here 1 carry. We will take here 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So we will write here 0 and we will take here 1 carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7 and now here no number is left. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 0 is 7. So it will be 7. Now see one more important thing. I have added these two numbers. Because these two numbers are having the same sign of subtraction. But now see here, which sign we will put here? In front of the number, which sign we will put? We will put the sign of subtraction or we will put the sign of addition? Tell me which sign we will put. Any idea? Okay, so I am telling you, we will put the sign of subtraction. We will put here the sign of subtraction. Why? Why we'll put the sign of subtraction? Because see, among these two, which is the bigger number? This is the bigger number, right? Can you see? This is the smaller number and this is the bigger number. And the bigger number is having minus sign. Bigger number is having the sign of subtraction. That's why we will put here the sign of subtraction. Okay. So in this condition, always put the sign which the bigger number has. Here both the numbers having same sign, it means the sign will be addition, because the bigger number will also have the sign of addition. Here if the bigger number is having addition sign, so we will put the, in answer we will write the sign of addition. If bigger number is having the subtraction sign, so in answer we will put the sign of subtraction. Here if the bigger number is having subtraction sign, so in answer we'll put the sign of subtraction. But if the bigger number is having addition sign, so in answer we'll put the sign of addition. Same method go with here also. These two, both the numbers having subtraction sign, it means the bigger number is also having the subtraction sign. So we'll put here the sign of subtraction. That's why I have written here the sign of subtraction, because the bigger number is having the sign of subtraction. Now please tell me, is it clear or not? This is the very main and important step. Now tell me, is it clear or not? Why we have subtracted and which sign we will put? 589, you have joined late. Is it clear what I'm explaining? Is it clear, 589?
Yes.
And 504, is it clear? Are you there, 584?
Where am I? What do you want?
Now see the next step. What next we will do? This is now next we will subtract. Now here see, here is the sign of addition, the sign of subtraction. Now we will subtract. Now 7 minus 2. See, subtract the ones place together. This is the ones place. This is the ones place. So we'll subtract both the ones place together. 7 minus 2 is 5. So in the ones place I have written here 5. Now 1 minus 7. Here is 1 and 7 is bigger number. So we'll make it 11. We will make it 11. Now 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 will be 4. So in the tens place I will write 4. Now see the 100 place. In 100 place here is 2 and here is 3. So if we have given carry here, so it will become 1. It will become 1 and 1 is smaller number, so we will take one carry and we'll make it 11. Now 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 will be 8. I will write in the 100 place 8. Now we will make it 10 and we have given one carry, so it will become 9. Now 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 will be 6. 9 minus 3 will be 6. Now see here I have given carry to the right side, so it will become 3. It will become 3. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now next step 4. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Now 8. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 will be 1. And now here 1 and here is no number left, means 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now if you are getting problem in subtracting directly, what you can do, you can make in the rough. You can make column in the rough and then you can subtract. Okay, it is not compulsory that you have to subtract like here directly only. You can make column in the rough and you can just subtract and write the answers here. Like C2. Always start the second number with the ones place, otherwise the sequence can be wrong, because it is not compulsory that both the numbers are ending in the same place. See, okay, you can make the column like this and now you can subtract and you can write down the answer here directly. So there are two methods, but in between you will not solve. In the simplification question, in between you will not solve. You have to just write down the answers only. You can solve in the rough and you can note down the answer here. or if you want you can directly write here, but you will not solve in between. Now tell me, is this question is clear? Anyone is having any doubt, please ask me, because if it is not clear then you will not able to solve the next question. So everyone please check the step, tell me if any confusion. If you're getting any confusion then why we have done this, you can ask me, because if this question is not clear, other question you will not able to do. If the sign, suppose if you have done, you have got the right answer but your step is wrong, then the answer will assume it as wrong. It will not, you will not get marks there. Okay, in this type of question, if you will not follow the rules of BODMAS, you will get the answer. Sometimes it's happened that the answer is right, but if the rules are wrong, you have not followed the BODMAS rule, you have first subtracted and in the last you have added, then also your answer will become wrong. Okay, if your method is wrong, then it will assume it as wrong. So follow the BODMAS rule. Always do what with the sequence: first division, then multiplication, then addition, and the last subtraction. Okay, now tell me, is this question is clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Then solve and show it one question I'm giving you. Note it down the question. 841250 minus 1236045 plus 689510 minus 45720. Just solve this quickly. This is the sign of addition. Okay. Now solve this. Okay, you can if you want you can do the first step, just bring all the sign together, sign of addition together and sign of subtraction together and then solve. Or if you want what you can do, you can just directly add the sign of the addition number and you can write here, and you can directly add the number having same subtraction sign and you can write here. It's up to you. Okay, if you want, just arrange like this, make all the sign together and then add and subtract, or if you want you can directly add these two number and write the answer here. Add these two number, directly write the answer here. It's up to you. Solve and show the answer to me. Don't forget to start with the equals to sign as we have done here. You have to put equals to sign in the front of every line. Not every line, means in front of every step. If you're solving by making the column, solve in the rough, don't solve in between. Have you all noted the question? Or shall I show the screen? "504, switch on the camera. What you are doing? Are you solving it? Are you outside?"
I'm actually at my house.
Then switch on the camera.
Okay.
Now solve it. Only 4 minutes are left. Done.
No.
Should I tell this? "504, are you doing the work?" 504, are you doing the work? What are you doing?
I'm lagging right now, but I am doing it.
Should I tell this? I think you all are getting difficulty. Just a minute, I will tell you. First, what you will do? We will first, just a minute. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
First, what we will do?
Yes.
We will add these two. Can you see? We will add these two. Why? Because these two are having same sign. Sign of addition, right? So what I will write? Can I write directly or should I arrange this?
It's your choice.
Do you understand if I'll write directly? See? Okay, just a minute. Let me arrange because you can get confused. So first 841 250. Then just write the number of having same addition sign here. 6 8 9 5 1 0 minus 1 2 3 6 0 4 5 minus 4 5 7 2 0. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What I've done? Yes. 4 5 7 2 0. So this is our first step. What I have done, I have written all the sign of addition together and all the sign of subtraction together. Is it clear up to here? Up to here, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now see the next step. See, now just add these two numbers, add the sign of subtraction together. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now 5 plus 1 will be 6. See the tens place, this is 5, here 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. Then it will come 0. Then it will come 3. Then it will come 5. And then it will come 1. Now tell me up to here, is it clear how I've added?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I will do, here is also minus sign, here is also minus sign. So minus minus plus. See the rule? Minus minus plus. So I will add these two also. Okay. So 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 0 plus 7 will be 7. Then it will come 1. Then it will come 8. Then it will come 2. And in the last 1 plus 0 will be 1. So I have added these two numbers and I have got this number. And which sign I will put? I will put the sign of subtraction because bigger number is having sign of subtraction. So I have put here the sign of subtraction. Now what I will do? I will subtract. Here is the sign of subtraction only. What I will do now? I will subtract. So I will get 0. It will become 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. Then it will become 9. 9 minus, sorry, 5. 5, so I'll make it 15. 15 minus 6 will be 5. 9, sorry, 15 minus 6 will be 9. Then again it will become 9. Then 8. Then 4. And in the last it will be 2. Okay. I have just subtracted these two numbers. If you want, you can make the column like this. 1 5 3 0 7 6 0 and 5 6 1, sorry, write 1 here, 1, it will be 8 2 1. Okay, then subtract as we are subtracting, make it 10. Now 10 minus 5 will be 5. It will become 5 because given one carry to the right side, so it will become 5. Now again we'll take one carry, so it will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. It will become 6. It will become 6. Now, oh sorry, this is 1, it will not become 760, just a minute. Okay, here is 7, sorry, this is not 1, this is 7. 7, I have missed one number, just a minute. This is also 7. This is 1. Okay, 7. Now here it will be 1, 1, 5, 3, 0, 7, 6, 0, 5, 6, 7. It will become 1. Here it will be 8, then 2, and then 1. Okay. Now it will become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, we'll make it 10 and I have given one carry, so it will become 9. Now 9 minus 1 will be 8. Now it will become 2 because I have given one carry, so it will become 2 and I will take one carry, so it will become 12. 12 minus 8 will be 4. It will become 4. Now 4 minus 2 will be 2 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So it will be, this is the answer. Now tell me, is it clear now? See, I have written the answer here. Same answer we have got. Please tell me, is it clear?
Yes, it's way more clear now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now any confusion? Okay, so I will post this question. I think I have posted in the previous class. Check the teams, check the previous class date. If it is there, then just try to solve all the questions, right? And if you'll get any confusion, any problem, then we will check this in the next class because it's almost 10 minutes over, right?
Yeah.
Just try to solve this. If you'll get any problem, then we'll discuss in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
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 Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Have a good sleep.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good one. Bye.